A gas phase is different from solid and liquid phase in that the gas phase has very minimal attractive forces between the gas particles. In the solid and liquid state, attractive forces keep the particles together. So solids and liquids have a constant volume and the particles are very close together. In the gas phase, the attractive forces are minimal, and usually we can assume that there are no attractive forces between gas particles. Unlike solids and liquids also, these gas particles are far apart and moving constantly, very, very quickly in random directions. A valuable physical property we use to describe gases is pressure, and pressure can be defined as a force exerted against a given area. And when we're talking about gases, that force comes from the gas particles colliding against the walls of a container. So the area would be the walls of the container. Chemists often use the unit atmospheres, abbreviated ATM, and atmospheric pressure is approximately 1 atm. The SI unit, which is the standard of pressure, is the Pascal, and then you may be familiar with pounds per square inch. So pounds is the force and square inch is the area. This is the unit of pressure that is used to measure air in tires. And the unit of millimeters of mercury is used when measuring blood pressure. So millimeters of mercury, millimeter is a length unit, but it's used to describe the height of mercury in a glass tube, which will rise and fall according to the pressure. As air pressure increases, the air pressure actually pushes the mercury up the tube, and the height of this mercury will get higher. And then as atmospheric pressure decreases, the level in the mercury will go down. So that's why we use a height to measure pressure. This is also can be measured in units of inches. So in your textbook on page 272, you will see some conversion factors between pressure units. This is the ebook, and so the millimeter of mercury unit here is a mistake. It should be 760 millimeters of mercury, but that is correct in your textbook. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 101,325 pascals, is equal to 14.7 psi, is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury.